Hi, it's Heather from Heather's Michigan Garden, and I had mentioned in my video that I had posted a few days ago on my new flower bed video that I was ordering some plants and shrubs from Garden Crossings in Zeeland, Michigan, and this is the box it came in right here. So Garden Crossings right there. Comes in a really nice box. It has proven winners on it. And it does say on here that this is the upside. So they're supposed to place it standing up when they deliver it. It was not placed standing up when they delivered it. It was laying down. I have ordered from Garden Crossings before. I think it was 2 years ago. I live about an hour and a half from Garden Crossings in Zeeland. And for me, because I work and I spend usually my weekends, hi Stoogie, gardening. I have a hard time taking the time that I use for my gardening to drive all the way to Zeeland to get certain plants that they don't have in the garden centers. Like one of the plants in here, or actually a couple of them, I have not seen like in a Lowe's. I have not seen a couple of these in one of my other garden centers that carries many proven winners. So Garden Crossings is one of the garden centers that actually carry almost all of, I think, the proven winners plants and shrubs. So I went ahead and ordered from them. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and we'll see how everything looks. The last time I ordered from them, all the plants came out beautifully. I want to say I ordered some Incredibles from them. I can't remember everything that I ordered from them, but I get the 4-inch pots. So they cost a little less for me because I buy so many plants, and they're easier to plant, honestly, because they're so much smaller, and I don't have one of the drill things to plant super fast. It's all like by shovel or whatever. So so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this first one and see which one it is. It's packaged like this. Here you go. And we'll go ahead and open this up. Oh, and it's so cute. All right. I'm getting some dirt all over here. So here's the first one that's coming out. Looks great. Look at all the dirt in there. Now, if you've ever gone into the Garden Crossings website, they have a really cool machine that spills out their soil, and they kind of just like stick the pot under there and it fills it. It's really, really cool. I'd love to work for them someday, but they're too far away from me. So I can't quit my day job yet to work at a garden center there, at least. Maybe if it was closer, I could. But anyway, not saying I'm quitting my job, but so anyway, this is the Proud Berry. And I've been wanting this for like 2 years. I finally decided to go ahead and get one. I have found with these 4-inch pots, when I plant them, the branching is so much nicer, because sometimes you get the bigger plants and the branching is just like all over the place. And I have found like all of my quick-fire fab in my wedding garden were 4-inch pots like this, and the way they're branching, except for one, it just branches so much better. I think they kind of cut them back and they work some magic on them, and they just, they branch really well. So anyway, this is a proudberry, coral berry. And I'll put that up a little bit closer so you can see it. And this, I'm gonna put my readers on because I can't see this stuff. So this likes full sun to part shade. It gets 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, and it says to space them out 4 to 5 feet. It likes medium moisture, and it has, looks like 4 seasons of interest, but it flowers, or I'm sorry, it gets berries in the fall. So that is why I wanted this. The berries are so pretty on this, and I'm super excited to have this in my garden, and I guess it attracts. So it says, plant proudberry coralberry to ensure against a dull landscape in fall. Summer flowers give way to super showy pink berries in autumn. Very easy to grow and tolerant of a wide range of conditions. So I am super excited and really, really looking forward to this and the fall fruit that it will have on this. And I guess it's really good for the birds and pollinators and all of that. So I'm super excited about this. And then the next one I have in here, ooh, let's see what's in this one. Okay, so I had mentioned in my new flower bed garden that I had planted a blue holly, and it had those pretty berries on it, and it was the castle spire that I already have planted outside in the garden. Well, to be able to get the berries, you have to have this one, which is the castle wall. So it's a male and a female. So, so this says, Castle Wall Blue Holly has dark green leaves and compact branching. Plant this male, so this is the male plant, within 50 feet of Castle Spire and Castle Keep hollies to ensure pollination. So this male one will help pollinate the female one that's already planted. That's why I got this one. So I'm gonna plant that in the same flower bed, and it has to be within 50 feet. So I could plant it a little bit further away, but I'm gonna try it in the garden. This gets, it likes sun to part shade. It's evergreen. So it's the male pollinator. It gets 5 to 8 feet tall and 3 to 4 feet wide. And it says to plant them 4 to 5 feet apart. So I'm super excited about this as well. So these are the first 3 that I have. I have 2 of the other one, the Castle Spire, 1 of the Castle Wall. And I'm really excited, sorry, my scissors fell. I'm really excited to watch these grow and see how they do in my garden. And yeah, so there is this one. There it is. Very pretty. I'm excited about that. Should get some interesting interest in the garden with those. All right. I don't remember. I wonder what this is. I don't remember everything he ordered. Let's see. Oh yeah, I remember now. I am so excited about this. So I couldn't find this in, I'm gonna take my glasses off. I couldn't find this in the garden center either. So this, I don't know if you can tell what it is based on looking at it, but this is the Gatsby pink Oakleaf hydrangea. So there's one of the leaves that looks, there you go, looks like the oak leaf. I tried to get this in the garden center locally. They didn't have it. They had the Gatsby Gal, I think that's the one I have out there. That was my first one, and I'm kind of kicking myself for not planting an oak leaf hydrangea sooner. So this is what the Gatsby pink looks like. And then that's what the leaves look like in the fall. It is so beautiful. And my Gatsby Gal that's out there right now, oh my gosh, I'll try to post a photo of it. There was a frog on it earlier over the weekend, and I took a picture of it, and it was so cute. And the leaves are gorgeous. So the white flowers of Gatsby pink, Oakleaf hydrangea, aged to rich pink for a shot of summer color. Burgundy fall foliage adds to the landscape appeal of this native shrub. This likes sun to part shade, and it blooms in the summer, and then so it has summer and fall interest with the fall color leaves. It likes woodland gardens, and then it gets 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. So this is going to be a very large specimen in my garden. Again, this is the Gatsby pink, the 4-inch pot. Looks like it's trimmed really nicely. I'm not sure if it says how fast these grow. Let me see. It also says pruning is seldom needed after flowering. It doesn't really say. Doesn't really say, I don't think, how quickly it grows, but I'm hoping it will grow pretty fast. All my other hydrangeas that I've bought in the 4-inch pots, like this is like 2 years for one of them. They're like big. So, I mean, not like big, but like about 3 feet tall now. So, I mean, I feel like they'll do really well. And then, but either way, for me, it's just a little bit cheaper to buy the smaller ones. So I have one more in here. So here is this one out of the, and, oh, where's my tag? Oh, there it is. Okay, so here is this one. It looks great, doesn't it? This is Fall in Love Sweetly. That is what that is. This is the Anemone. It gets 20 to 26 inches tall. It likes full sun to part sun. So I actually did find this one in one of my local garden stores, and I did buy, like, I already have them planted out there. I think I bought 4 of them. I didn't know I was able to find those in the store before I ordered this one, so now I just have another one to plant out there. So this one looks fantastic. Look at that. I have a feeling that this one's gonna grow pretty fast. So yeah, it looks really, really great. Again, I ordered these from Garden Crossings in Zeeland, Michigan. They have an online store, and I believe they ship all over the United States. I want to see if there's like a package slip in here. There's not. So, but I already know because I have it online. And so if you want to go to www.gardencrossings.com, and like I said, they're in Zeeland, Michigan, and they will ship right to your door. For me, like I said, it saves me just a lot of drive time. And when I'm trying to, because I mow my own lawn, I do all of my own landscaping. My husband and I do it all ourselves. So we have like almost 3 acres to mow. We do all the creating of all the flower beds, mulching. We use a wheelbarrow. You know, we water them ourselves. So everything that we do ourselves. So it's a lot of work. So if I have to take time to drive an hour and a half to a garden center to grab a couple plants that I can't get in a local one, then this really helps me out, because now come this weekend, because I probably won't plant these until this coming weekend, I'll just keep them watered, and I'll get them in the ground this weekend. But this is gonna save me so much time that I don't have to drive to the store to get them. And so that, you know, 2-3 hours that it would take me to drive there, pick out the plants that I want, and then drive all the way home, it just saves me, you know, like a lot of time. So now I can spend all that time this weekend planting them and doing any other household chores or gardening that I need to get done, because I do work full time, and so does my husband. So this just works out really well. And I will try to show you a picture of that Oakleaf hydrangea that I already have planted. Sorry about that, that was my cat. Anyway, I will try to post those on here, the Oakleaf hydrangea, the color of the leaves with a little frog on it, so you can see what that looks like. It's so cute. And I just hope that you like this video and subscribe. And if you enjoy my videos that I put out, I really enjoy this, and I just really love gardening. So I love sharing this stuff with all of you. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you soon.